Bonjour YouTube, welcome back to Talking Thursdays.
Today we will have a mini challenge.
As you know, we are not originally French. We moved to France a few years ago, and we thought it would be interesting to do a little bit of a game where we've picked the words for each other, and we're going to try and pronounce them the best. These are difficult words for us to pronounce,
okay.
Or at least that's what we think. I think the words I picked are going to be difficult for Sinan.
No, my words are not so difficult actually.
So,
we will see.
So yeah, let's see how we're going to embarrass ourselves.
So, on y va.
On y va. Okay, so I'm gonna show first.
Yeah. And everyone has 2 chances.
2 chances?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, don't be so evil.
So the first word.
The first word is...
Okay, this is a network company here. This. Okay, it is B.
No.
Bouygues.
Yes! Bouygues.
Yes.
Now it's your turn.
Okay, and my word, you will be seeing it on the screen. Yeah, this is it.
Oh my god. Okay, Serrurerie?
No.
Serrurerie?
No. Last chance.
Serrurerie?
Yeah. I think it was Serrureri. I'm gonna double check now.
I was correct.
Serrureri.
Serrurerie.
Okay, that was
Yeah,
correct.
I was correct, so it's 1-1.
Yeah.
Now it's my turn. Right, next word is... Oh, I love this one. This one is from my personal experience. It was so difficult for me to say it from the start, and I absolutely hated it. I still sometimes get a little freaked out. Sinan.
Okay, well. Oh, it's very easy. MILLE-FEUILLE.
Huh?
MILLE-FEUILLE.
Oh, yeah.
Because we have the same word in Turkish, so
Oh,
it's
damn
very
it.
easy.
Oh, I prepared the same word for you, by the way. Bouilloire.
Okay. Second chance. I'm not sure about the pronunciation.
I think that's how you pronounce it. It's bouilloire. Bouilloire.
Bouilloire. Okay.
Bouilloire. Wait, let's see what Google tells you.
Okay, let's see.
Bouilloire. Yeah.
Yeah.
2-2.
Alright.
Ah. Right, let's see. Oh. Ooh, this one is a little bit of a catchy one.
Okay. COQUELICOT.
No.
No?
No.
COQUELICOT?
I think it's COQUELICOT.
I said COQUELICOT in the beginning.
No, but it's not COQUELICOT.
No.
Let's see. Let's see.
I think it's COQUELICOT or COQUELICOT.
Ah, this is so much fun.
I think they wouldn't pronounce L.
No, they would
COQUELICOT,
pronounce
I think.
it in this one.
I think
you
it's
would pronounce
COQUELICOT.
it. I don't know, I could be wrong.
Yeah,
COQUELICOT.
it was correct then.
COQUELICOT. It's just different stress.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll give you 1 point. It's fine. And it means poppy. You know the poppy plant with the red?
Okay, now Anton's turn.
I'm scared now.
It's very easy actually. Yeah.
I'm sure he's gonna be a lot of air because he knows that the air for me is a problem.
Yeah.
Ah, this one is easy. Cueillir.
Cueillir? I think it's
Cueillir.
cueillir.
Yeah, cueillir.
Yeah.
Cueillir. How does she pronounce it? What happened? Cueillir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cueillir.
Okay, so far we're all even. That's 3-3, right? Okay. I hope you like this one.
Oh, it's easy. CHIRURGIEN.
Yeah, alright! Yes! Yeah.
Easy!
Okay, come on. Come on.
Okay, this is the one.
Oh, I'm scared now. Quincaillerie. Quincaillerie.
one more time.
CUINCAILLERIE.
CUINCAILLERIE.
Yeah.
I think so too.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Tofia agrees as well while he's sleeping. Oh, come on! CUINCAILLERIE. Yeah, CUINCAILLERIE. So, that's 4-4. Come on, we cannot be all good at this. I promise we did not, because
No,
I have some
I
words
hate
that
it.
he actually used it against me. Now I couldn't use it against him because we prepared more words than.
Yeah.
We're gonna do around 5 or 6, or we can just keep on going until. Right. So the next one. Oh, I hate this one. This one. I think it's this one. You really screwed me with the other one. I was hoping the chirurgien was gonna be a problem, but it's not. This one.
Pas du tout.
Pas du tout.
Aiguille.
No.
Aiguille. Aiguille.
Yeah,
Aiguille.
I think it's aiguille.
Aiguille.
Let's check. Let's check.
I had that word too actually. Aiguille.
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 We were both wrong, so meh for both of us.
Okay. So
Aiguille.
this
Ooh.
one. Yeah, it's
Right, so next one.
cool. This is it. Joyeux.
Alright! Yes!
Okay, so far 5-5 even. But it's Anton's turn now. I need to choose something difficult.
I'm running out of words. He stole 2 of my words.
Okay, I'm gonna show him something easy.
Okay. No.
No. Okay, your last chance. No, it's not no.
No.
No, it's peanut.
You actually pronounced the P?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I had no idea. I thought you wouldn't pronounce the P. No, it's tire. Because pneumatic, like the things that they use on the
I thought
metro
it means
sides.
yard actually. Okay, anyway, he he mispronounced the word, so
Okay, so that's.
it's 5-5.
Oh,
Okay,
but I
let's
lost
have
now, no?
yeah. Okay, let's have one more word and then we finish this.
I have 2 words.
Okay, let's have 2 more and then we finish.
This one, the last one.
Naive.
Damn it. I thought the double EU dots will confuse him, but it's not. Okay, that's correct. Okay.
Yes!
Okay, I have 2 more and then that's it.
I only have 1 word left.
Okay, after this I also have 1 more now.
Le recueillement. Recueillement.
The funny part is I cannot pronounce it. Okay. Recueillement. Recueillement.
Recueillement.
Recueillement.
Oui. Some words, like there is one word that I could never pronounce. You know that MILLE-FEUILLE for me was a huge problem in the beginning.
No,
I would actually be afraid to go into a shop and ask for it. So I would go into the store, like to a boulangerie, and I would look like it and I'll be like, I really want MILLE-FEUILLE, but I cannot pronounce it. Because I used to pronounce it MILLE-FEUILLE.
No.
And then it was so bad.
We have something, we have a similar thing called, but in French it's a dessert, MILLE-FEUILLE. But in Turkish it's it means dough.
Ah, okay.
So you make
Like
bread.
Ah, okay.
You bake dough with it, so it's called MILLE-FEUILLE. But in French it's totally different, but pronunciation is the same.
But you know what it means though, right?
Yeah.
MILLE-FEUILLE, like thousand of sheets, layers.
Mm-hmm.
It's because the actual pastry is layered and
We
there's
will
cream
put
in between.
We will put a picture of dessert right there, so
Yeah.
you can check. Okay, let's check the.
Recueillement. I was correct. And it's a very long word.
Okay, last word.
Well, last word from me is, I really hope that, I don't know, I hope you get it.
Okay, the last one. I should take sure.
Alright! Yes!
Okay.
Not fair.
Okay. The last one for Anton is
Le seuil.
I'm not sure about the pronunciation. Okay, second one.
Seuil.
Seuil.
Yeah, le seuil, I think.
I think so too. Le seuil.
I should have put heureusement.
Heureusement is easy.
Seuil.
Yeah,
Oui, le
threshold.
seuil. Yeah. So, how did we do? We did quite well. I expected us to do a bit better. I mean, a bit worse. I expected us to do worse. But apparently we are not that bad. But you know what? What is the most difficult sound for you to pronounce in French?
R is so difficult for me because it's pronounced with the throat. I have a student. Her name was Mego or Margot, something like that.
Margot.
Oh yeah.
Margot.
She's like Margot. I'm saying Margot. She's like no, Margot. Anyway, I have a problem with R and okay, people understand of course, but
You roll your R's like in English or in Turkish or in Russian we also say R, you know, so it's you're rolling your R. But in French the R is more in the throat.
Yeah.
So like for example there is a word regroupement, right? I say it now because it's slower. Try saying it quicker. If I need to say it quicker, I'll just roll it. I'll say regroupement.
yeah,
Because I can't say the
It's so
regroupement.
tiring.
It's so like it needs practice.
yeah,
Yeah,
also
which is-
tiring as well.
Yeah, so anyway, so the R is a very, very difficult word for me. No
Yeah.
word, sound. It's a very difficult sound for
Very
me.
difficult, yeah.
And what was the word that was the most difficult for you in the beginning? Like, not in terms of translation, but to say it.
I think still, the one I showed you, bouilloire, it means to boil. It's so difficult, I don't know. And
I
the
think
one
it
as
means
well.
kettle.
Kettle, pardon.
Yeah.
Yes, it's kettle. And it's also, the one, it means ground floor, rez-de-chaussée? No.
Rez-de-chaussée.
Yeah, rez-de-chaussée. Yeah, when I see I can read, but I can never remember that word.
I have a problem with...
I have the problem with that word.
Do you know which one I have a problem with? I don't have a problem with now, but I had a huge problem in the beginning. Accueil.
Okay.
Oh my god, that word is so difficult. I don't know why, it freaked the heck out of me, like I would not be able to pronounce it. First time I ever came to France when I saw Bouygues,
Big.
there is no way you can pronounce Bouygues
Yeah.
just by looking at it, because I was pronouncing BOUILLOIRE, BOUIGUES, BOUIGUES. It's just, yeah. So, let us know if you speak French. If it's not your first language, of course. If it's your first language, we're sorry if we butchered some words for you right now.
Yeah.
But we're trying, we're really trying, because it's so difficult. The R is so difficult.
And also, please let us know if you study French, what is the most difficult word for you to pronounce it?
Yeah, and what is the most, or if you already are a French speaker, but it's not your native language, what were the most difficult words for you to pronounce, or the sounds? What are the words that you're still struggling with, or the sounds? Yeah, and we hope that you liked this episode. We hope that you liked this
A little challenge.
challenge. Let us know if you want us to do something similar or different, or if you have anything else, or if you want us to do something else. And yeah, and we will...
See you on Sunday.
And before we go...
No, not Sunday, on Saturday actually.
On Saturday. And before we go, please guys, we have so many of you watching us, but we have a little bit of a smaller percentage of those people who watch who are subscribed. We have a lot of subscribers and we love you all, but if you are not subscribed yet, please press the subscription button and the bell under it, I mean next to it, because that way you will get our notifications, you'll be up to date, and it'll be great for us. So, thank you. And make sure to like, subscribe, and share this. And yeah, we'll see you on
another protest on this Saturday.
So,
Until then,
au revoir.
au revoir.